Hi friends, I hope you are all fine. We all know for a good health we need a good diet. If we get vegetables from organic kitchen garden, that is the best. You all know we have an organic kitchen garden in our rooftop and my mom grows vegetables by the organic way. My mom tries to always use homemade fertilizer, compost, pesticides and micronutrients which are zero cost. Last year we grew lots of winter vegetables in our rooftop garden. Today my mom will show how to make compost with kitchen waste. To make this compost, we need vegetables or fruit peel or kitchen waste, dry leaves or paper, soil, water and air. Take a earthen pot or bucket and drill 4 to 5 holes to let the air inside. Try to cut the vegetable peel into smaller pieces. What is composting? Composting is a simple process of breaking down the food waste in the presence of air, water and microorganisms and small insects present in the nature. Now in the pot, line the bottom with the layer of soil. Now start adding vegetable, fruits peel and then add dry leaves or paper. Then cover up with a layer of soil again. Maintain this layer every time. It means add the soil first, then add fruits or vegetable peel, then add dry leaves or paper and then cover it with soil again. It takes time to ready end product, minimum 90 days. But if we add 5 to 10 ml bioenzyme, it will only take 30 days. Sprinkle a little amount of water and cover it. You can apply the layer day to day until the pot is not full. The end product is called compost, which is enriched in readily usable plant nutrients. Composting organism requires 4 conditions to create compost. First, carbon comes from brown organic matter like dried leaf, paper, etc. Second, nitrogen comes from vegetable and fruit peels. Third, water in the right amount, and then the fourth one is oxygen, which comes from air. Every few days, open the lid and give the pile a quick turn to provide air. This is my mom's composting bin. My mom gives compost layer by layer until the bin is not filled. As my mom needs, my mom takes some compost of the lower part of the bin. If you don't have bioenzyme, you can use jaggery or curd by the replacement of bioenzyme. They also work like bioenzyme. After a few days, some liquid will be collected. You have to collect that liquid because it is a good fertilizer. You have to use it dilute with water. After 30 days, the compost will be ready, which is full of macronutrients and micronutrients which are needed for the plants. You can use it in any kind of fruits, vegetable and flowering plant. When you plant a new plant, you can add 40% kitchen waste compost with your soil. This is how my mom prepares the garden soil. You should not throw your kitchen waste. You should use them in gardening and help the nature. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.